Hi everybody, welcome to Virtual Tweak. On today's episode, fun desktop tools for Windows and my review of livedigital.com. Please visit virtualtweak.com for software links and web links. And I like to thank everyone for watching and welcome to Virtual Tweak. Let's start with Windows Automation Tool. I found a great little free software. It's called Nmarco Recorder. You can use Nmarco Recorder to record your mouse and keyboard actions. Let me show you how it works. At first, this is Nmarco Recorder version 1.0. In the Save Output As field, click on Browse and write down a name for your action. For me, I'm going to write down example, and I'm going to click on Save. So Nmarco record your action as an exe file. So whenever you click on the exe file, Nmarco will do all the mouse action or mouse or keyboard actions for you. So I'm going to click on Start Recording. Right now Nmarco is recording my mouse action. I'm going to click on iTunes and I'm going to click on Library, then again Podcast, and I'm going to click on Update because I download a podcast every day. So I'm going to minimize iTunes and I'm going to click on Juice. I also use Juice for my podcast, and I'm going to click on Refresh and I'm going to minimize Juice, and I'm going to launch Windows Media Player. Now all this stuff is recorded in Nmarco Recorder. Now I'm going to right click on the Nmarco Recorder icon and I'm going to click on Stop Record. So Nmarco recorded all my mouse action. Let's see how it works. So I'm gonna minimize Nmarco Recorder. As you can see, this is the exe file, and I already wrote down the name, which is example.exe file. So this is the script. So I just have to double click this exe file to run the automation. So I'm going to double click this exe file. Right now my mouse isn't working, and the automated script is working. So as you can see, it is automatically launched iTunes, and it will follow all my mouse actions. So this is Nmarco Recorder. It is totally free. Check it out, and it is very nice tool if you use Photoshop and or any other regular programs. It is very nice. It is totally free. Nmarco Recorder version 1.0. Virtual desktop. You can have up to 4 virtual desktop for your work, and for example, if you use like several applications at the same time, then virtual desktop is a must-have free utilities. And I got a free software. It's called DeskSpot. It is a virtual desktop software. So I'm going to run DeskSpot right now, and so this is DeskSpot 1.4, and as you can see, the little tool over here is DeskSpot, and I'm going to run Mozilla Firefox, and I'm going to right click on this DeskSpot icon. As you can see, there are 4 desktop available for us. Right now I am using desktop 1, so I'm going to click on desktop 2 and I'm going to run Windows Media Player. I'm going to resize it. Now I'm going to right click DeskSpot icon again, and I'm going to select desktop 2, desktop 3, and I'm going to run Internet Explorer, and I'm going to right click again on the DeskSpot icon, and I'm going to select desktop 4, and I'm going to run Juice. So now I am using 4 virtual desktop at the same time, and let me show you. So right now I am in desktop 4. So if I want to go to desktop 1, I'm just gonna click on desktop 1. It will bring me Mozilla Firefox. But the cool thing is you can double click on this DeskSpot icon. It will show you 4 virtual desktop at the same time. So I'm going to double click on the DeskSpot icon. As you can see, it is now showing me all the 4 virtual desktop. You can select the desktop you want to use. For example, I want to use the Windows Media Player, so I'm going to click on that. It will bring up the Windows Media Player desktop, or you can double click it again and you can select Internet Explorer window, it will bring you the Windows Internet Explorer desktop. So it is virtual desktop, free application. It is called DeskSpot 1.4. check it out. If you don't like the virtual desktop, you can use a little software. It's called Double Desktop. So once you install this Double Desktop free software, what it will do, it will expand your current desktop to a double size. That will act, your desktop will act like a dual monitor. Let me show you how it works. It's called Double Desktop. It is totally free. So I'm going to double click on Double Desktop. Right now Double Desktop is working. I'm going to launch Mozilla Firefox, and I'm going to resize this window, and I'm going to drag this window to a half size, and I'm going to click on this arrow in the text bar. It's Double Desktop icon. So once you click on this icon, it will show you other half of this desktop. So you can have dual desktop at the same time. So I'm going to click on this arrow again, and it will show me the other half. Let me show you. I'm going to launch a media player. So I'm going to resize it and drag it to half size over here, and I'm going to click on this arrow again, and it will show me the other half. This is first half, and this is the second half. So you can have two or three different software running at the same time, and you can expand your desktop to a double size or act like a dual monitor. So it is Double Desktop. It is totally free. Check it out. Program shortcuts, and it is very annoying to have like lot of shortcuts in your desktop. I use Quick Launch, as you can see over here, but I found a great little software. It's called StartX. You can use StartX to organize your shortcuts. StartX is totally free. So I'm going to double click on this folder, and you don't have to install StartX. It will run from the exe file. So I'm going to double click on StartX. As you can see, this is StartX. You can add categories. Every category you can add category, you can delete categories, you can drag and drop icons. For example, if I want to add Trillian to my internet folder, so I'm going to drag and drop this Trillian icon into the internet folder. It will add this icon over here. And when you don't want to use this StartX, just click on this and it will go away. So it is very nice application to have. You can have up to several program shortcuts in here. You can organize by categories and stuff like that. Even you can use the configure text file to add new colors and font and stuff like that over here. Let me show you how to add a category. So I'm going to right click on StartX, and I'm going to add a new category. I'm going to write down is others, the name, and I'm going to click on OK. As you can see in others, StartX just added a new category. It's called others. In here I can add juice over here and stuff like that. It is totally free. Check it out, StartX. Let me show you the configuration file. So there are two configuration file over here. The first one is config.txt text file, and the second one is settings. So I'm going to double click on the config file. As you can see, all the categories are in here. So when you add a new category, it will show up in here. In the settings field, as you can see, you can define the icon size, layout type, or font size, font color, font style, and all kinds of stuff. You can totally customize this StartX application. It is totally free, StartX, to organize your program shortcuts by categories. I use Alt Tab sometimes to switch application. Let me show you how it looks like at first. So I'm going to launch Firefox, and I'm going to launch Windows Media Player. So I'm going to press the Alt and Tab key. As you can see, I can switch between application over here. But I found a great little software. It's called Text Switch XP, and it will show you the switch icons, for example these icons, but it will also show you a thumbnail view of that application. Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to double click on Text Switch XP. Right now it is working. So I'm going to press the Alt and Tab key. As you can see, the new switch application window, and it will show you the thumbnail of the application you are using right now. So I'm going to release this icon, and I'm going to maximize all the windows, and I'm going to press Alt and Tab key. As you can see, the thumbnails of the software you are using on the background. So it is very nice application to have. It is totally free. It's called TechSwitch XP. If you watch television shows or video blogs like Virtual Tweak or other videos, and it sometimes is very annoying to see these white blank spaces over here. As you can see, all the folders, all the start menu, text bar and stuff like that, this blank space. And if you don't want to see this blank space and the start menu while you are watching Virtual Tweak or other television shows, I found a great software to do that work. It's called Zorro. Zorro is a free tools for desktop. Let me show you how it works. At first, open up the video you want to see, and then launch Zorro. So this is Zorro. So I'm going to click on Window, Fit to Window, or Control F. So once you click on that, drag this icon and drop it to the video window, and you will get this Zorro window over here. So what you have to do, just click on File and click on Activate. So once you click on Activate, Zorro will only show you the video in the middle of the screen, and all this stuff, the text bar, the icons and the wallpaper will be black out. There will be no more shortcuts or text bars. You will see only the video in the middle of the screen, and all the background will be black. So it is very nice to see only the video if you have lots of shortcuts in your desktop. So this is Zorro. Check it out. It is totally free. If you watched my Windows Vista preview, you saw that when I move my mouse to a minimized window over here, you can see the thumbnail view of the window in Vista. But how about Windows XP? You can use a free software. It's called Virtual Text Tips. You can use this software. Once you install this software, when you move your mouse to the minimized window over here, it will show you a thumbnail view. Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to double click on Text Tips, and when I move my mouse to my volume control, it will show you a thumbnail view. As you can see, I'm going to maximize and minimize my Firefox window, and I'm going to pause my mouse to the minimize window. It will show you the thumbnail view of Firefox, and I'm going to minimize Windows Media Player, and as you can see, it will show you all the thumbnail view of minimized windows. So it is very nice option to have if you like the Vista features in Windows XP. It's called Virtual Text Tips. It is totally free. Check it out to see your thumbnail view of minimized windows. If you are looking for a free software that can transparent your text bar, I found a great one. It's called Transbar. I'm going to click on Enable. As you can see, when I drag this light bar, you can select the transparency level of your text bar. It is totally free. It's called Transbar. So everybody, download all these free softwares for your desktop and play with it, and I hope you like these free softwares. If you use a particular free software that you like to share with us, please send me an email or post it in my weblog, which is virtualtweak.com. livedigital.com is another free web video service, and as you can see, you will need an account. So I already signed up for an account. I'm going to click on my home. This is my home page. As you can see, my picture over here, which is VT, my feed logo, and these are all my group people, and you can send invite to other people to join your group. You can share videos, pictures or MP3 files with each other. Let's look at the upload option. Once you sign up with an account, you will get 1 GB of file storage, so you can upload pictures, videos and MP3 files up to 1 GB file storage limit. So once you upload a video, you can select public, my connection or private. So my connection is only your group can see your videos and other people can't, and public, so anyone can see view your videos or pictures or listen to MP3s. and it has batch upload option. YouTube or Dailymotion doesn't have this batch upload option. This is very nice option if you want to upload 2 or 3 videos or 2 or 3 audio files at the same time. And Live Digital also has blog options, and you in my media section you will see your videos, photos and audios just like a file browser. And my connection is your group, and my favorites, you can add a particular website list over here, and my messenger is your PM, inbox or sendbox, so you can send message to each other. Now what I don't like about livedigital.com, that is when you upload a video you cannot post that particular video into your website. For example, in YouTube, when you upload a video they will give you a code. You can copy and paste that code to your website to view your videos to others, and livedigital.com doesn't have this option, and you will get only 1 GB of storage limit. And in Dailymotion you can upload up to 100 GB video files, unlimited storage, and you can use their Flash Media code to your website. And for me, I like Dailymotion because sometimes I upload my videos to Dailymotion and copy and paste their code to my website, so you can see the videos. And if you are looking for unlimited storage and Flash Media code, then Dailymotion is a good one. And if you don't care about the Flash Media and you just want to upload your videos, pictures and audio files and share with your own group, then Live Digital is for you. So this is Live Digital. It is totally free. Check it out. Please visit virtualtweak.com, my blog, to get all the software links or web links, and check out my other video tutorials. Send me an email or join my Frapper group, VirtualTweak Frapper group. And thanks everyone for watching, and thanks for your support, and I will see you next time. Take care everybody.